How to write Urdu in MS Word. Now let's start the video. Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Ahsan. In this video I explain you how we can type Urdu in MS Word. So guys, it is very easy to install the software that name is Phonetic Keyboard. So I first install my software and then we write Urdu in MS Word. Open the folder and install Phonetic Keyboard full correct version. I run the application. It's very easy to install in few seconds. Close. Successfully installed, and then click on close button. In the right corner of your screen you see English word and Urdu. Both options available for typing. I am selecting Urdu Pakistan for Urdu typing. Now I can type few words in MS Word. Open the MS Word. In this way you can type Urdu in MS Word. You can edit words, increase the size, bold, italic, underline, change the color, change font style, anything you can do in MS Word, and you can easily type Urdu in MS Word. You simply install Phonetic Keyboard software, easily available from different websites, online websites. If you want this software, I can share this link in the description box if you comment in this video. Hope so guys, you can learn from my video. For more updates, subscribe my channel, like this video, comment on this video, and thanks for watching. I need your support and love, and keep sharing my channel, like my videos. Thank you.